Right, so the boys are recommending we have this here, and if you have watched the Pakistani series, you remember like in Peshawar I've had this, and also the guys in Pakistan, they told me it's Indian originated, but obviously this is going to be like taken to the next stage. Let's give it a taste test. We haven't ordered yet. I believe it's going to be different than the one in Pakistan. It's like from inside, this is how it looks. This is where we are right now. There's a gate. We've been here already in a different video on our way to the temple. Look how busy it is. Oh my God. Chaotic. Nice architecture as well. Right, let's see the process. Okay. Hand over. Hand over. Yeah, hand over.
एक ही प्लेट दो फिलहाल पहले एक ही छोड़ना खा लेना हाँ दो मीठा पानी डालना मिक्स कर देना.
That's the beauty about being with locals, like. Oh, look how he dips it like that. Oh my God, it is soaked. It's like it's full, you know, it's full of juices.
My trip, have it quickly. अच्छा अभी बिना मीठे के दे.
Oh my God.
ये मीठा है.
Oh, you just eat it like that. You just keep handing it one by one. Look at the process there. You just keep giving it. Cheers.
एक प्लेट हो गया. एक प्लेट और लगा दो सूजी वाला.
Oh wow. It's an explosion in the mouth. I can't describe it.
बिना मीठे.
Is he gonna give us more?
Yeah. It's the different one.
It's a different one. Oh my God. Not sure what's the difference, but we're eating. Oh man, it's an explosion. How full it is. Oh, this was sweet.
Let's have this one.
What an experience.
Just drink it.
Drink?
Yep.
I'll leave you some.
No, drink it. I'll take another one.
Oh man, this is amazing. It's an addiction.
One more?
Yeah, let's have another one.
Cheers.
And cheers it. Yeah.
It all together.
Yeah.
Check it up.
Acha. Oh, that is incredible.
It's good for digestion also. Yeah, it's really good. You can eat anything and then have this. Everything would go very easy.
That was actually a very spontaneous decision to walking by, and it was like, did you try this? I was like, I tried it in Pakistan. He said, you gotta try the Indian one. So I was like, chalo, let's try it. How much was that?
60.
60 in total what we had.
For total.
So in total what we had is 60 rupee, which is about less than $1. Yeah, it's like about probably 70 cents or so.
Yeah.
What a bargain. Amazing, like.
It's called Pani Puri.
Yeah, Pani Puri, that's what they called me. It's called Pani Puri even in Pakistan. It's called Pani Puri, yeah. Anyway, that was delicious.
Now we are heading towards the famous Amritsari kulcha. We're gonna have it.
It's so random, like traveling with locals. Like we get to stop in some places that I don't really even understand what this is. What is this?
It's called Aam Papad. Aam Papad.
Aam Papad.
It's just a mango dried and the piece of mango I think dried and marinated with a lot of spices in it, and then kept it stored for some time, like once all the juices went out and all. It's in dried form. Let's have it. It again, people have it like after they are having lunch or maybe so, just good for
so it's like sweet.
Yeah, not exactly the sweet, but people use it for it.
Look how it looks like. Oh my God. Was that a secret, is it? Is that a secret? Is it? secret recipe? He's like, no camera. Hey, oh, is he serious?
Yeah.
Oh, why?
No, 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 no.
No, no.
आगे बहुत कुछ है.
Okay, no problem.
ये आगे करो, आगे से करो.
No problem, no problem. It's here, it's here.
ये टाइम चाहिए. ये टाइम करनी चाहिए.
Wow. I'm not sure why you're not allowed to film this. It's just like it's so weird. You can film at borders, but you can't film this. It's like a secret ingredient. He's pulling out like a sheet of leather. It's incredible. Unfortunately, I can't show it. Anyway, we'll give it a taste test when it's ready. So we're still on the operation of getting this together. We'll get into that in a second because we are going inside here and the guys are talking about kulcha. I have no idea what it is. We are gonna go inside, order it, and give it a taste test. Of course. But this is wild. Like I'm not sure what this is. I've never seen it in my life. No, I'll wait. We'll do it together. Or just like a small piece. All right, let's give it. This is all spontaneous. So this is how it looks. Let me show you first the big piece. This here. I don't know, he put like some spices on it, and this is like a mango sheet, is it?
Yes, it's mango.
And here goes nothing. Look how it looks. Very sticky on the teeth, but salty, lemony. The texture is actually something that I've experienced in Turkey, in Georgia, in Armenia. Those like fruit sheet that we saw, but they're making it from mangoes. It's good. It's very, very good actually. I like it.
More?
Yeah, we'll eat more.
Yeah. We'll have it later.
When we go inside.
Let's have the food first. And
Let's
then
have kulcha first. We'll have kulcha and then we'll finish this. Not sure what kulcha is. We're gonna find out. Here we go. We're going in. We have our table. This is how it looks. Very nice.
This is again the pickle and onions and the chutney, the sauce in it. And this is a vegetable, like a proper, what do you call it, chickpea. It's the curry of peas, and this is the kulcha.
So we got served, as you heard, friends. This is the kulcha, so it's like a bread, but inside it, like I can see some fillings. This is butter, and this is like the mixture that comes with it. This one is cauliflower, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna give it a quick taste test before we all dig in, of course. Yeah. So I'm gonna take a small piece of the kulcha, just like that. Thanks, man. It's hot, actually, very hot. And then you dip it into this here. Is that how I eat it?
Yes.
So I go like
Some
that,
butter on it and dip it in that, and then you can have the sauce.
and then I'll eat it like this.
Cheers.
पानी की बोतल दे देना पानी की बोतल बोलो एक पानी बोतल दे ना फिर आके दे
This is actually good. It's quite hot. Hot as warm and hot as spicy. But
I need to wait for at least
I like
2
it,
minutes. Let's let it cool down a little. Then we'll get the best observation on taste.
as every other food. But this is actually really good. And I'll try this.
Try with spoon.
It's okay. Try this here. This is like pickle.
Yeah, it's a
it's
pickle.
And it's ginger.
No, there is a fruit called
There's a
amla.
lot of ginger. I can taste the ginger.
It's not the ginger, it's amla. It might be marinated with
Marinated
the
with
paste
ginger,
of
yeah.
ginger, but the fruit there it's called amla.
Yeah, very intense. That bite of ginger exploded in my mouth. But this is good. And we ordered another thing. What was it? The mixed one, right?
Yeah, a
Yeah.
mix of 4.
So we ordered another one. Is going mix, but I think it's more or less the same. It's really good. We're gonna smash this.